Hi, it's your coach Joe Lucas. Welcome to your Practice Power Daily Power Minute. Welcome to Friday. Welcome to the 30th of November, and well, welcome to the end of November, right? Hey, today what I want to really do is take a minute or two and really inspire you, motivate you, convince you, persuade you, influence you to go on to practicepower.net and start, if you haven't done so already, your review and recap of 2012. You know, part of our business and life planning process is to not just look forward, but to look back at the last year and celebrate the wins, and to really truthfully and objectively analyze what we did right and, quite frankly, where we failed. You know, I always say this is a business of beliefs, habits, and behaviors. And what we need to look at is, what were your beliefs in 2012? What were the habits, good and bad? And then what were your behaviors, good and bad? Now, this review and recap can be found in the Business Planning Center. It is free. So in other words, if you're just a basic member of Practice Power, you have full access as my gift to the industry. If you do nothing more than that, it will give you valuable insights into truly what you need to change in 2013. So we want to be very, very clear on that. The other reason why we want to really go ahead and do a strong review and recap is there's a tendency sometimes for human beings, for advisors, to basically abandon things that work. You know, it works so well, stop doing it. So in this review and recap process, you get to memorialize those, and that becomes an integral part of looking forward to capture those positive habits and to really change or raise the standard on those things that you're not doing well. So we want to make sure we really spend some time, and you know, quite frankly, if you haven't done it for Thanksgiving weekend, this is a perfect weekend to do that. The other thing I want to remind you of, you know, every day matters. When I see you next, I will be saying December, not January, not November. And make sure that you start each and every day with a written daily game plan. Again, whether it's in your contact manager, or on your day timer, or on our site, or on a legal pad, I don't care, crayon, magic marker, whiteboard. Have in writing the 5 things you need to get done every day, and focus on those. I know the holidays are here. I know it gets distracting and things like that. I know a lot of us start thinking forward to 2013 and the holidays and getting out and getting some downtime. Trust me, I totally understand that. But if you're going to be in the business, be engaged. Don't just hang out, okay? So let's have a great day today. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.